location and privacy. This home has both. The moment you pull into the large driveway, you will fall in love with this home's character. This home is located on the tip of the cul-de-sac and is situated on an oversized lot. This hard-to-find split-bedroom floor plan has the master suite on one side and the other bedrooms on the opposite side of the living areas. This spacious living area with vaulted ceilings provides a great space for entertaining with sliding doors to the backyard. Easy to maintain, ceramic tile flooring throughout and wood flooring in the formal dining room. Kitchen entails wood cabinetry and 2 large closet pantries. Attached two-car garage with ceramic tiles and a large drive space for additional parking. Spacious backyard is perfect for a weekend barbecue with plenty of room for a pool and has mature mango, lime and cane trees. Includes a large shed for storage. Convenient to shopping, restaurants and is a short drive from Poinciana Medical Center.